I know you guys miss me and I miss you guys too, but I'm back. I'm back on YouTube, back to make some videos, but on a different channel. So currently at the Emancipation Park in New Kingston. Let me give you guys a quick look around. So this is a quick 360 view of the Emancipation Park. Alright guys, so let's walk and talk a little bit. So over the last several weeks, my channel, Rush from More Reviews JA, has gone under some restriction from YouTube. So I wasn't able to upload as I usually was able to. So that's why you guys haven't seen me in a while. A lot of persons have reached out. I know a lot of persons miss me, miss the videos. And I miss you guys as well. Rush from More Review fam. I miss you guys. But I'm back. I'm back on a different channel because this channel has some restrictions that are still on it from YouTube. So I created a new channel for you guys to start some upload as well. So you guys just click in the link. So the link will be in the description. I'll put it in the comment as well to go over to my new channel. It's Rush Ramore Reviews. Sorry, that's the old channel. So the new channel is Rush Reviews JA. So jump on over guys. We have over 17,000 subscribers. Want to get this new channel to 17,000 subscribers or more in just one click, So just asking you guys to go over and support. When you see this video, there's gonna be videos going up the same day on that new channel as well. Remember to like that new channel so that whatever video I upload can be can spread so that everybody can see that I'm back. Remember to leave your comments. And once videos start going up on that new channel, remember to definitely share. So it's all about subscribing to my new channel guys, Rush Reviews JA. So go on over, subscribe and join the new family. Alright, so I'm looking out for you guys, each and every one of you guys. I'm looking out for you, and I do apologize for how long I was away. I guess I could have worked on something else just to let you guys know I'm good, because I know some persons were genuinely concerned if I'm okay, if I'm safe, if I am healthy. So I really apologize for how long it took for me to put up another video. But I really appreciate you guys' support, and I know you guys will support the new channel as well. I'm not gonna delete this channel. It's gonna be here. I'm still working on all the restrictions so it can return to normal. And when we have both channels up and running, I'll streamline what I upload on which channel. But for now, I just want you guys to jump on over Rush Reviews JA, go on that new channel so we can start uploading. I'm waiting, I'm looking. What are you guys waiting on? It takes one click. Just click the link in the description or the link in the comment and subscribe to that new channel. Let's see if we can get that new channel to 10,000 subscribers in one day. That's the challenge. Let's see. So that's it for now guys.